Welcome all of you in Shrived Education. So today we will see what is the reason behind the drop and bubble formation, and that is obviously the surface tension. So what is surface tension is? See, because of the surface tension, drop and bubble have a spherical shape. Because of this surface tension, every surface is trying to acquire the minimum surface area, right? If we ignore the gravitational and other forces, the molecules which are inside the drop, they are trying to stretch the area, they are trying to stretch the surface area, and that's why every drop and bubble acquire the spherical shape, right? Now if the radius of this drop is increased, see, suppose this is the radius of this is the increase in the radius of the drop, and we are indicating that by del r. If the radius of the drop is increasing, so obviously the extra surface energy is needed for that. So what is that extra surface energy? We can write extra surface energy is equal to SLA into area. What is this SLA? SLA is nothing but the surface tension, as this drop has an inner liquid surface and outer air surface. So this is nothing but the liquid air interface. So the extra energy is in the form of surface tension into area. So as we are increasing, as the radius of the drop is increased, so we can write the increase in the area of the spherical drop, that is SLA into bracket 4 pi into bracket r plus del r bracket square minus 4 pi r square. As this is drop is spherical in shape, so we are using the formula of area of the sphere. Now we are expanding this term, so this is SLA into bracket 4 pi r square plus 2 r del r plus del r square minus 4 pi r square. We expanded this bracket with the formula of a plus b bracket square. Now we are opening this bracket. SLA into bracket 4 pi r square plus 4 into 2 is 8 pi r del r plus 4 pi del r square minus 4 pi r square. Now you can see this is 4 pi r square, this is 4 pi r square, this has plus sign, this has minus sign, so both are cancelled. Now if you see this term, then this term has del r square, the increase in the radius of the drop, and this increase in the radius of the drop is very small, so we can ignore this term. So what is left? SLA into 8 pi r del r, and this is equal to extra surface energy. So we got one equation, that is extra surface energy is equal to surface tension into 8 pi r del r. So we are indicating this one by 1. So this is the equation of the extra surface energy, that is surface tension into 8 pi r del r, and this is equation number 1. Now what is the next important concept? That in case of the drop, the internal pressure inside the drop is more than the external pressure, and because this pressure difference, there is the increase in the radius, right? That means what we can say, if the drop is there in the equilibrium, then whatever the extra surface energy is there, that extra surface energy being utilized to increase the radius, right? So increase in radius is nothing but the work done. So what is work done? Work done is force into displacement, that is internal force minus internal force minus force outside the drop into the del r. Now what is pressure is? Pressure is force upon area. So what is force? Force is pressure into area. So we can write Pi minus P0. What is area? As this is the liquid drop, so we can write 4 pi r square into this del r as it is. So we got work done, Pi minus P0 4 pi r square del r. As we have discussed, work done is stored in the form of extra surface energy. If the drop is there in the equilibrium, then we can write we can write extra surface energy is equal to work done. So what is extra surface energy? SLA into 8 pi r del r is equal to Pi minus P0 4 pi r square into del r. Okay, so now as we have to find out the value of the change in the pressure, so we are taking the rest of the term to this side. Pi minus P0, this is SLA 8 pi r. See, extra surface energy is equal to work done. So we are writing equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So equation 1 is equal to equation 2 if the drop is there in the equilibrium, that is extra surface energy is stored in the form of the work done. So we are equating equation 1 is equal to equation 2, that is this one. Now we are writing Pi minus, we are keeping Pi minus P0 to this side and bringing rest of the term to the left side upon 4 pi r square del r, right? So del r cancel, this is 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, pi cancel, 1 r get cancel. So what we get? So this is Pi minus P0 is equal to, what is left here? 2 into SLA upon 1 r is left from r square. So we are writing 2 into SLA upon r, right? So this is the increase in the pressure in case of the drop, right? Now if we are considering about the bubble, then in case of bubble have the two surfaces. Inside the bubble air is there, this is liquid surface, and outside is the air, right? That means in case of the bubble there are two surfaces. So to this formula for the bubble we can multiply by 2, that is 2 into SLA upon r, that is 4 SLA upon r. So this is about the drop and bubble formation. So students, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.